welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, hello, how are you? My name's Allie, and if you're coming back, so good to see you again. I missed you. Obviously, if you clicked on this video, you know we're doing a makeup tutorial. Y'all, honestly, I have so much to update y'all about my life right now, but I want to just jump straight into this makeup tutorial and we'll yap along the way. Okay, first of all, I always put my hair back with my Hello Kitty headband. Like this is literally one of the best purchases I've ever made in my life. Like, I actually freaking love this headband. Highly recommend. TJ Maxx, girl. TJ Maxx. Anyway, she's so cute. And I also like she doesn't like mess up my bangs. Styling. Okay, anyway, what was I saying? Oh, yeah. Okay, I start with sunscreen all wet. Jinx. Oh. She's hyper right now. Anyway, start with our foundation. Huh? So I always start with sunscreen, y'all. I tell y'all all the time, but like, please protect your skin. Okay, so a little backstory on this makeup look. Basically, I was like bored of my everyday makeup routine because I've been doing the same one since I was literally like 20 or something, so like 3 years, and I was like, I want to switch it up. And I just felt like I kind of liked the dewy makeup like a little bit, but then I feel like I did it fully and I was just like, oh, this like does not suit my face shape. So then I kind of just randomly played around with eyeliner until I fell in love with this look. And oh my gosh, y'all, y'all have been eating up the brown eyeliner look, okay? I feel like I made the camera too low. Okay. Next, I go in with my e.l.f. Halo Glow Skin Tint. It's like an alternative to foundation. Basically, I like it because it's like light coverage. Also, like every it girl uses this product, I swear. Anyway, after I was like posting videos with my brown eyeliner, y'all were like, girl, you look so good. And I was like blushing. I was like, oh my god, you guys make me feel like I'm that girl for real. I need to wet my beauty blender. So girl, I was like, let me not gatekeep, let me let every girl be the it girl, because I know that school is coming up, girl, if it hasn't already started for you, or like honestly, if you work, like I'm a working girly. For me, summer is like more chill, not as many people around the office, but then September hits and it's like everyone's around, so like you gotta be the prettiest girl at your school or office, you know? So let me show you. So honestly, I basically work 2 jobs because I have a 9 to 5 and then I also do YouTube, obviously. So girl, yeah, the dark circles be dark circling. Oh my god, why does this frame look terrifying? Oh, okay, it doesn't look as bad when, oh, it's like night scary stalker. Day happy, girly, young, full of life. Anyway, to really conceal any of that, I do this. This is my Tower 28 concealer. And I kind of just do that, girl. And this really helps to hide the fact that I don't get the recommended doctor's 8 hours of sleep a night most of the time. Also, girly, oh my gosh. Did you notice I moved into a new apartment? Big ups to those who noticed like 2 seconds into the video. But yeah, I'm still in Houston, Texas, but I did move into my new apartment. Next, I set the concealer with my Mercier. Ooh, can you see that powder? I don't know. I try not to make it like too cakey. Like, we're not trying to bake. I'm not trying to bake cake on my face, but I don't want like my eyeliner later to like mix with the concealer if I'm like sweating, which I am here in Houston all the time, and like melt, you know? Then I go in with the Holy Grail Rare Beauty blush. I swear, again, every hot girl I know, this is the blush they use. Anyway, I moved because I just felt like it was time for a change. Like, I'm in a new era. Like, I don't know, I feel like I'm in a new era every year, which really you are, because like we're constantly growing and evolving and becoming new people and having new interests and prioritizing different things in life. Okay, like real talk. Oh my gosh, y'all. Literally every time I put this blush on, I look Oh, I get so scared because I look like a clown.
Oh my God.
Literally look like a clown until like the pigment, like, I swear after you do this, like over time, it just like seeps into your skin and like becomes less pigment. I don't even know if that's how it works, but trust me, y'all, I'm not gonna look so crazy cuckoo bananas like I'm gonna dress up in a clown costume and scare you on Halloween night. Which, by the way, guys, gotta think of my Halloween costume for this year. I'm already thinking of like what okay. A little context, most of the time I like to dress as like a superhero or like a supervillain because like I grew up being like obsessed with superheroes, especially the DC universe. So I feel like I just like started a trend where like every year I'd basically be a superhero or villain. Okay, let me stay focused for 2 seconds. We are using our NYX Epic Wear eyeliner stick in brown. I think, I don't know if it has a special name like coffee or espresso or chocolate, but I use this to do like kind of like the little like, what's it called? Like I feel like they do it in Douyin, but like the little lines under here to like make us little like I don't know, make them look bigger, juicier eyes. I don't know. Does that make sense? My eyes haven't been juicy. Apparently I am not making enough tears, so I'm on steroids. Anyway, okay, I'm gonna do this, guys. Okay, I start like here. Don't connect it, but like here. And then just like try to find like the natural like roundness of your eyeball and like draw a line there. But this is like really low. Like try not to go too low. Like I go like here. Maybe. Okay. I'm so focused. Oh my gosh, I'm so... Oh my gosh. I feel like I'm gonna cry. Oh my god, I was locked in. Wait, that looks so cute though. You see what I mean? Like, do you see the vision? Okay, and then I'm just gonna repeat that on the other side.
A few moments later.
Okay, girl, not bad, not bad. And then like, honestly, I kind of ate this first time, but sometimes like I draw it on accidentally too dark and I just use like a Q-tip and I'll just like go over it like that, like brush it a little outwards, like following the line, or if like it ends harshly, I'll just, and then it's like perfect. Also, I promise I'm gonna get back to the Halloween costume story, but let me get through this eyeliner first. So again, I don't know why I was about to name it again. I'm using the same product and I'm gonna do like a little wing, kind of just like outwards. Okay. Literally starting in the corner, girl. I'm going out. Out. Yeah, I don't know. Like I just follow the line. And then I kind of just go up like a little bit, but I never take my eyeliner like all the way. Honestly, like I'm satisfied with that. Oh my gosh, like isn't that so cute and like subtle? Like it's just perfect for like every day. Anyway, yeah, so for Halloween, I've been Wonder Woman twice, Batgirl, Black Widow, Harley Quinn, Chun-Li, and then I got really excited when I started dyeing my hair fun colors because then I could match my hair to like the superhero or villains that I wanted to be. So I was Poison Ivy with red hair and then Starfire with red hair, and then last year I was Katana with blue hair. So girl, I've been around the block. But honestly, you know who I haven't done?
Bruh.
Catwoman! No, but like y'all, I really need to serve Catwoman, like the black corset. Also, I really want to like DIY my Halloween costume this year because I'm kind of just like a little bit over like the single-use consumption of like wearing one costume like for 1 year. So I don't know, we might go on a journey. Honestly, I'm thinking of doing a thrifting for like Halloween costume, like DIY type thing video. Let me know in the comments if y'all would be interested. The next thing I'm adding is this Diamond Bomb Fenty Beauty highlight that y'all recommended me. And girl, this stuff is so cute. Oh my gosh, like look, I just add it all over my eyelids. I like it because it's like subtle, like it's not too thick for like an everyday look, but it's still so like pretty. I also ended up buying it in like the rose gold kind of color, and I just like pick which one I'm gonna use based on the color of jewelry I'm wearing. So like I like the silver to match the silver, or like I'll use the rose gold if I'm wearing like gold jewelry. And girl, people literally eat this stuff up. Like they're like,
oh my god, girl, you're so glittery and so pretty. And I'm like,
like, I know, it's because of the glitter. So other than like my nose and my eyelids, I'll use it as actual highlight. Well, I guess okay, I don't know what I'm saying. Like you can put highlight on your nose, but I feel like this is like the highlight spot. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. I'm already feeling so pretty. I've been obsessed with like watching those videos on like TikTok or like shorts or whatever of like girls being like, me before I sit down, and then like me getting up, and it's like the makeup transition. Honestly, like sometimes the best part of like getting ready for like an event is like doing your makeup, like listening to music. Oh, let's be so real, like turning on your favorite hype up or like just a fun playlist. Like what's y'all's go-to getting ready playlist? Like I feel like if I'm getting ready for like a party or like the club, literally don't even go to the club, but like if I'm going to like a hype party, then I'm playing 2000s music. Like you already know, like peak 2009, like Britney Spears, so 3OH, whatever they are, them.
That I'm a vegetarian and I ain't fucking scared of him.
Some freaking Pitbull.
It's worldwide.
Yeah, girl. Yeah. But like if I'm getting ready for like a nice dinner, like I don't know, like going to a nice play or something, like I go to plays, I don't. I recently went to one and it was really good. It was like, it was of And Then They Were Done by Agatha Christie, which is a book I just read and love. But like if I'm going to something like nice like that, then I'll throw on some like Lana, or maybe if I'm feeling fancy, like some Leve. I think that's how you say your name. I used to say Laffy until I got laughed at. Oh yeah, also I'm going in with my L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara. Honestly, I used to use Better Than Sex, which was like probably 3 times the price, but this stuff works wonders. Look at that. Oh, my lashes are short as heck, okay? But after curling them and using these, like, yum. Also, I'm just not a false lash girly. I will wear them if I do like more dramatic makeup looks, but like this works. And then of course I also do my bottom lashes. Can't forget these little babies. Oh my gosh, I feel like I'm already kind of giving, but you can't serve without your eyebrows done. Well, personally, I can't. I kind of have a love-hate relationship with my brows because they have never been ugly.
Oh my God!
But also, they have never been like, wow, I'm obsessed with my eyebrows, you know? Like, I don't know, is anyone obsessed with their eyebrows? Like, I have just never been able to say that. Sorry, my leg's cramping. I'm like, trying to sit comfortably. Oh yeah, this is the honest, I was like, forgot I was on camera for a second there. This is the Anastasia Brow Wiz. Girl, I have been using Anastasia for my brows ever since I can remember. Ever since I was in the womb. Honestly, it all started with like the Anastasia dip brow obsession in like 2016. Yes, I definitely did fall victim to dip brow craze. But honestly, like then I moved to the Brow Wiz and I love her. She is expensive though, so if anyone like has used Anastasia and switched to something else and you love it, let me know. I literally just fill them in like that. Maybe I should have explained that, but you can see that, right? Basically, I just outline like the shape of it and fill it in where necessary. Also, like I try not to fill it in too much at like the front because that's when you get the 2016 brows. So just kind of natural. I kind of did thin my eyebrows a bit too. I literally tweezed them like a few days ago to make them a little thinner, and I hope I don't regret it. Okay, girl. Lippy. Oh, but before the lip, sometimes I do use this in my inner corner, and I think I'm like, do I want to do it today? I haven't done it in a while, but I feel like every time I do it, y'all compliment it. So I'm gonna do it. Girl, I literally just do that. Bada boom, bada bang. And then this is, oh my gosh, like guys, sometimes most of my products I've been using for years, okay? And this has been my favorite lip product I've ever used since I started doing makeup when I was like 13 or 14. GoGo Tint Benefit. Look at that. Like, first of all, she's not thick because she's not like lipstick. She's just a tint. But that color, like, please. That is so pretty. They did make the container smaller though and didn't decrease the price, so.
I'm not crying, you're crying.
Kinda got a bone to pick with them about that. But she's still gorgeous. And then I use this cheap Essence gloss. Girl, look at that gloss drip. I love it, I love it. I just love having juicy looking lips, guys. And you can tell it's clear gloss, but it's literally tinted pink because I always pair it with this. Y'all, wait. I think we're ready for the final reveal. I mean, you see it, but like with the hair, you know? Also, sometimes I do like a real... Also, sometimes I do like actually do a real lip combo where like I have a lip liner. But this is honestly like just the easiest every day going to school or the work. The office. Okay, let's do the final reveal, guys, with the hair and everything. My headband's already sliding off, so she's ready. Okay, y'all. 3, 2, please hype me up. 1. Hey y'all, this is me like literally 20 minutes later. I just realized I wanted to show you what it looks like in the direct sunlight. So this is right next to my window and this is what it looks like. Yeah, that is it. This is the final look. Honestly, I can do this makeup look in like 7 minutes. This video is longer because I yapped, but it is literally perfect for like when you're rushing in the morning. Like, girl, I can't do like a 20-minute routine, you know? I really hope you guys try this look. It would make me so happy because my favorite thing in the world is when you guys are like, oh my gosh, you give me fashion inspo, like you make me feel confident in what I wear and how I dress. And I would love to make y'all also feel confident in how you look and the makeup you do. And I want you guys to feel like the prettiest girls in the world, okay? Because if you're part of this fam, I just know you're beautiful, girl. And yeah, that is the end of the video. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you made it this far, comment the lipstick emoji for makeup. Make sure to follow my socials here. Subscribe to join the beautiful fam. I love you guys so much. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.